Pick the correct replacement toilet flange by matching pipe diameter and floor height before buying anything. Start by measuring the inside diameter of the drain pipe and the distance from finished floor to the top of the existing flange. These two measurements determine flange type and fit. For a cast iron or hub pipe, you will likely need a hub-style flange that slots over the pipe, whereas for a plastic pipe, you will typically use a flange that fits inside the pipe, so confirm the material. If the finished floor is higher than the original flange, you will want an offset or adjustable flange that raises the sealing surface. Adjustable flanges screw up or down, and should be set so the top of the flange sits slightly above the finished floor for a reliable wax seal. Consider a twist and set anchor system when the subfloor is damaged or uneven, because it can clamp to the pipe and provide a secure mounting without full replacement of surrounding floor. For a repair flange designed to fix a fractured flange, look for one that bolts to the existing flange and spreads load across the flange body. These are typically thin metal plates that bolt in place and accept standard toilet bolts, but always verify bolt spacing. Always dry fit the flange and the toilet with the gasket in place before final sealing, so you can confirm alignment and that the bolts penetrate the toilet base hole straight. People often pick a flange because it looks similar and later discover the pipe diameter does not match. Measure the inside diameter of the waste pipe and select a flange rated for that exact size to avoid leaks. Another frequent problem is neglecting floor height, so the wax ring squashes improperly. Fix this by using an adjustable or spacer flange and verify the flange top sits slightly above the finished floor. Finally, many installers underestimate bolt spacing or use the wrong bolt pattern. If bolts do not align, use an oval slot flange or a universal flange that allows minor adjustments. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare flange types and read real user experiences so we can choose products based on practical fit and installation notes. Our site connects contractors looking for jobs with homeowners who need flange replacement and hosts an active discussion community where we share tips and ask questions.